Have you got smoke, fumes, or that stubborn sooty smell coming back into your room? Sudden smoky puffs when the wind picks up? That could be chimney downdraught, when outside air forces smoke back down the flue instead of letting it escape. The fix? A Colt Top all-purpose chimney cowl. Its clever aerodynamic design uses the wind to create lift, drawing smoke safely up and out while shielding your chimney from gusts. And if the Colt Top fails to solve your downdraught problem, simply return it to the company you purchased it from and get a full refund. Less blowback, better draw, fewer smells, and a fire that works as it should. The Colt Top all-purpose chimney cowl is available from all good builders merchants, roofing merchants, and online hardware retailers. Visit the Colt Cowls website to find the right cowl for your chimney. Alternatively, you can call Colt Cowls on 01243 781 559 for expert advice.